When you consume a full complement of EAAs, you give muscle cells every component to repair training-induced damage. This creates a positive net protein balance. Synthesis exceeds breakdown, the prerequisite for hypertrophy. Taking EAAs is like ensuring the construction foreman arrives with a full delivery of materials. EAA supplementation applications are broader and better supported by evidence for maximizing growth and recovery. They are particularly effective when consumed around the training window. Before a workout, during a workout ensures a steady supply to working muscles, helping mitigate protein breakdown and priming the anabolic machinery.